Many travelers search across Europe for unforgettable nightlife experiences. But some of the most exciting destinations are often the ones that surprise you the most. But tonight we're in Krakow, Poland, a city that quietly transforms after sunset into one of Europe's most vibrant nightlife destinations. Behind these centuries-old buildings lies a completely different world. Hidden bars, buzzing squares, underground clubs, late-night street food, and an energy that keeps going until sunrise. Here at Tripinn, we take you beyond the typical tourist attractions and into the experiences that make each destination truly unforgettable. Stay with us because as we walk through Krakow's nightlife district, you'll discover why so many travelers say this city surprised them more than any other destination in Europe. Let's begin our night in Krakow. Right now, the city is entering that magical moment. The restaurants are filling up, outdoor terraces are buzzing with conversation, and the glow of streetlights begins reflecting off the historic architecture. At night, Krakow becomes the backdrop for one of Europe's most energetic social scenes. Take a moment to notice the atmosphere around us. This isn't just nightlife. It's a city revealing an entirely different personality. By the way, if you're enjoying this walk so far, let us know where you're watching from. One of the best parts of the Tripinn community is seeing travelers from every corner of the world exploring together. Now, let's continue deeper into Krakow's nightlife scene. We're now approaching one of the most iconic locations in Krakow, the main market square. It's truly unforgettable. Look around. Street performers entertain crowds. Friends gather outside cafes and bars. Locals and tourists blend together, creating an atmosphere that's both lively and welcoming. Every corner offers something new to discover, and we're only getting started. One thing that makes Krakow unique is that many of its best nightlife spots aren't immediately visible. You could walk past them without realizing there's a lively venue just a few steps away. That's part of the city's charm. The adventure isn't only inside the bars, it's finding them. Tonight, they're witnessing a new generation creating memories of their own. This is how Krakow looks in winters. Notice how much busier the streets have become. The later it gets, the more energy fills the city. The atmosphere becomes impossible to ignore. What many visitors love about Krakow is that it offers something for everyone. And unlike some European nightlife destinations, Krakow manages to stay approachable and authentic.
How are you, bro?
Good, brother. Thank you.
Where are you from, bro?
As our walk through Krakow Nightlife comes to an end, take one final look around. The lights, the people, the music, the energy. Few places manage to blend history and nightlife as seamlessly as Krakow. And that's exactly why so many travelers return again and again.
Which group you are in? YouTube. Which channel? You are in here, yeah?
If you've enjoyed exploring Krakow with us tonight, don't forget to share this video with someone who loves travel. And tell us in the comments, would you spend a night exploring Krakow? Thank you for walking with Tripinn. We'll see you in the next destination.